Hello and welcome to my channel, and today is back to basic day, and we are still with the envelope punch board because there's so much that you can make with it. So today I am showing you this very cute box made by 12 by 12, so I'm going to show you that. This small cute box, I'm going to show you that, and this cute box. So those three boxes. Plus, using your envelope punch board, you can make a cracker like this or a mug. I will leave the links below to these two, although the cracker that I've made in my video a few years ago is a smaller one, but it's the same principle. But if anybody wants me to do this larger cracker, then I can do. But yeah, pop along to my mug using the envelope punch board. Okay, I'll put all these to one side, and we will start with the 12 by 12. Now, when you're making boxes with the envelope punch board, it's so when you do increments of either 2, 4, 6, 8, because this is 12, I am going to score this at 4 inches, punch and score. Okay, and then we're going to rotate it, and this will be on all 4 sides, punch and score. Rotate it again, punch and score. Now my cup and my cracker, Deborah Holsworth is doing a Christmas in July for her birthday, so that's what they're, and it's got to be pink. So that's what it looks like now. Now you're going to flip it over, and then from this side, not from this side, from this side here, you're going to pop it to the 4 inch, punch and score. Again, from this side, not this side, you're going to pop it in the 4 inch, punch and score. Again here at the 4 inch, punch and score. And the last one, punch and score. So now your paper or card will look like this. So we want to put in these lines here. So we're going to marry it up, put it back in, and what you're going to, so this goes back into your little punch thing, like that, and all you're going to do is just score along that line. Okay, so we'll do that on all four flats. So the same principle is for an 8 by 8. So I'll just pop that up there. And now we are going, this is like perlite, it's got a lovely sheen to it. So you're going to burnish on all your score lines. Okay. And this one. And hopefully you can see this actually coming together. So now it's like this. So now what we're going to do is this side and this side, we're going to cut up the score line. So rotate, so we've got these two at the bottom, and we're going to cut this up. Now you could, oh dear, we've gone crooked there, never mind. The score lines, when you have a look, you see you've still got a score line, but what I would do, I would just take that off, because yeah, you want it, and take that off, and then have a look here, because you've got the score line and I don't want that showing, so I'll take that off, and wherever there is another one just here, I'll just take this off. Okay, And then what you're going to do is, I'm going to just use some runner tape just for quickness. You're going to pop tape on the edge, or glue, or wet glue, or whatever your preferred, whatever your preferred glue. Okay. And then what you're going to do then is to marry them up so you get a nice edge. One. Oopsie. Nice edge. So if anybody says to me, is it worth me buying a envelope punch board? I would say yes, because just look what you can make. And I've just touched, these last couple of weeks, I've just touched on a few things. So that's your box. Okay, so now obviously to put your goodies in, you could actually make this the box base and then make a lid for it, but we're not going to do that because I want to show you how to do the other two ones. So what I'm quickly going to do is I want like a wrap to go over it. So I'm going to find the middle, and middle is hopefully in the middle. I'm just going to punch and punch, that's it. Believe it or not, I did actually use the foil, and then so what I would do then is just crease them down and then crease them. That wasn't very much in the middle, but never mind, you get the picture. And then I would make a bow to go on top, but I'll just leave that to one side and we'll go to the next one. So the next one, let's move all this out of the way, is 6 by 6. So this cute little box here. Okay, so 6 by 6. Now this, everything is all kind of like the same. You're punching and you're scoring. So this wants to come in at 1.5, and you're going to punch and score. And then you're going to turn and 2.5. Punch and score. Turn. 1.5. Punch and score. We'll go along to 2.5. Punch and score. So now you will have lines that you can actually marry up with. And with the envelope punch board, that's what it's all about. It's using the score lines that you've actually got to actually punch. So once you've got some in, I know that I've gone a bit about a different way about this one, but never mind. So that's the pattern that you want. So it's 1.5, and in actual fact, if you, so these are 1.5 here, so it's 1.5 and then flip it 2.5. Yeah, these ones are 1.5 and 2.5. It's really, really cute. So now again, you're going to score all your lines, and can you see that these, yeah, these are so quick. So if you were, you could make little favours once you've decorated them. Yeah, it's fine. And then what we're going to do again is to cut down. I'm going to cut down here. Cut down here. Now you could cut down that flap if you want, but I'll just cut down this one. So then you're going to put tape along here. Bring that in. Now again, you would, what I would suggest as well, is wet glue again. I'm just using this just for quickness. So fold it in, square, pop up. And then these will fold, these will just fold over like so. So I'm going to pop a bit of glue here. Now there's loads of ways of putting these together. This is just one way that I'm popping this together. So that's your little box. Now you could have that as a little bag, like so. And let's corner around them. And then you just want this. So one of them's going to fold in, so you just want the little end bit just to be scored like so. So it goes in. And then that one obviously will go around. So I've decided to make this a bag. So I would do two little holes there. But if you put it round the other way, I'll just show you, because I've put it in wrong, not wrong, just differently. Let's just take this off so I can just show you. So there's two different ways that you can cut, okay? And when you cut the two different ways, just open this, I bet you're going, no, what are you doing? That's fine, because I wanted to show you. So the other way of cutting this would be, instead of cutting down here to make that, you're cutting down this one, so that you make this comes in, and then you make your little box. You see? And then that goes over, that goes over, and that goes over. Whereas this way that I've done it, I'm going to make a little, punch a little hole in there, and put some ribbon on, and there you've got a little box and a little bag. Okay, so I'm going to pop those to one side, and now we're going to bring in our 8. And again, this is all, so we're doing all of this, literally all the same. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to score a 2 all the way around. And it is, when you're doing the boxes in the squares, it is 2, 3, 4, 2.5, yeah, whatever, because that's going to, obviously that's going to be your base. We're going to flip it again, and we're going to score it at this end at 2. And you can see, because it will marry up there, we're going to flip this end here at 2. So it is just like your 12 by 12. It's the same principle. Okay, it's all the same, and you've got that. And then obviously we go back in to score our flaps. Now I'm just showing you a few of these bits, and these little boxes, but there's so many boxes, bags out there, all sorts. And yeah, they're just, well, I think they're just lovely. I really, really do. I like my 3D crafting. I love making bags and boxes and all sorts. So yeah, I'm in my element with my scoreboard and my punch board. It's just something that, yeah, I love doing. So once you scored all your lines, again, you're going to do the same as you did for, I can't remember which board it was. I don't think I've done it before. It's alright, I'm digressing, sorry. Yeah, this is take 2 because I went wrong. So anyway, so you score this line, and then this line here, you're going to fold it and marry it up so that, and then again, the next line you're going to score and then fold it. So marry this one up. tell you, these tablets that the doctor's given me, they've made me go away with the fairies. Never mind, I am digressing. So the score line here, and then this score line here, you're going to marry it up. And goes along like so. So every single one, okay? And we've just got one more to do. There. So this could be a pop-up box. So once you put that all in like there, you can actually again stick down these and then make a little lid for it, or use it as a show you. So again, just like the large one, so you could use that as a box base and then make a lid, or you could have a special gift in there and then pop it up together, have a little belly band over the top, and yeah, pretty. And then when they take it off, surprise! Or you can do what I've done here, and that's tape along here to make it a box. And again, so your score lines that you've married up, you're just literally going to do the same. So let me just quickly put some glue down so I can show you what I mean. Hopefully I've got everything in shot, because last week it was all over the place and I haven't put any on there. So obviously you would take your time with this, because yeah, I'm just showing you. And again, you want it, if you want to stick these down, you can stick these down. Yeah, it's entirely up to you. And then you would pop these over, and that's your little box. So it's all the same principles for the squared boxes, like this. It really, really is. It is that easy. These are just a little bit different, but I hope you've enjoyed these makes with the envelope punch board. I thought that I would just bring this in and my cracker in, because yeah, you can make these with your envelope punch board as well. So yes, as always, I do a giveaway, so I will be scoring some of these, and I will be making some more little bows and that to put in for the giveaway. So all you have to do is to leave a comment below. I might even score in a cracker and a mug as well, because I'm sure that, yeah, so I would do everything, and then all you have to do is just put it together. So yeah, so who's up for winning quite a few goodies? Please, yeah, comment below, give me a thumbs up, and hopefully I haven't babbled on too much, you've enjoyed it. God bless, and bye for now. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Bye.